Hello all, here at osandvtxroots.com. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the home screen, which is a little bit unique on the N7100W, which is the phablet-sized Android-based smartphone we reviewed a few days ago. Again, the home screen is unique because you actually have a few different settings for you to go to. The basic one just includes the time and the unlock screen, which after you unlock takes you directly to the main system screen. But you can also slide left and right from the main unit to get to different widgets that you can access directly. So if we slide down from this interface, we have access to the basic time and date, but we can also slide left and right to get to different widgets and get to different quick access notifications that you can see and visualize without even unlocking the unit. So again, if we slide to the right, this is a new application that we can tap on, and then we can add from different widgets on here, including a calendar, another digital clock that you see on the main screen there. There's a quick email client, a quick Gmail client, a Google Now client, a messaging client, a sound search, and there's basically, again, some other services that you can add from the App Store or the Marketplace. Now, some special features on here include the sound search, which means that it will use like Shazam services, but provided by Google to search what's the song. So if you play back a piece of music, it will tell you the artist name and directly take you to the web browser. There's also a Google Now service for you to say, "Okay, Google," and tell me the weather. And so those features are also available on the N7100W, which is kind of unique. So in this instant, if we wanted to take a quick look at something like another digital clock, for instance, just for that sake, you can now say that we want to slide down, we can slide to the left, and we now have another digital clock that you see. Slide to the right again, sorry, there's your new digital clock, and we can slide right again to access the camera directly from the unit, which is a preset that's actually in place. So if we want to try that again, we slide down again. Again, whenever we add something, we slide to the left, but after we've added something already, it also mostly will show up to the correct orientation. So right now, again, our time has correctly shown up onto the left where we added it. If we slide again, we can add another widget, such as the Google Now application, and then we slide to the right. Again, you can see we'll access the application for the actual camera. To get rid of an application that we've actually put on there is also pretty easy. We can just slide to the right again, and we want to tap on that widget. We can remove it directly by sliding it up. So again, it's a pretty interesting service that you can access by seeing a few of your basic notifications without having to even unlock your phone, which we are fans of. We think that are kind of unique. So if we wanted to add something really quick, perhaps a sound search, it actually will work and say, "What's this song?" And you can play back by tapping it. You can even see your search history and the such. We can again unlock it by sliding down, and again we can slide left and right to add different widgets, see our time, which has now been replaced, see the different camera modes, and again everything works as advertised, and you can slide up again to access the actual lock screen, so that you can now lock the phone as normal. So this is a pretty unique navigational system without even having to really get into the system to kind of see the different widgets that you can customize your phone with. And we definitely are fans of this lock screen user interface on this particular product, and we think it's pretty clever. It's well implemented. There is slightly a little bit of lag on this as opposed to the actual user experience of the phone that we aren't really sure why, but overall it works well. It works as advertised, and we think that it's a nice incorporation on Google's part and also on the manufacturer's part for putting it there. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the main lock screen, which has been kind of customized here at osandvtxroots.com on the Note 7100W Android-based phablet smartphone.